It's 7:06 a.m. and we're about to take our 12Z observation. Sunrise was just a few minutes ago, so it's still kind of dim out there, but nothing. You can see at least now. So 23.2 was our last board clearing, but I know there's at least 25.6 on the ground. So 23.2, that's what we're going to be adding to. Look at this. There's a pile there. It just contours up. Let's see if you can even open the door. Oh my. You have to actually push to get this thing open. Alright. Here we go. We're about to go for a swim here. Ugh. Oh my. I'm above the window, look. My head is a foot from the roof. Like 18 inches. But I'm already a foot sunken in the snow. Oh man. That's what we're getting to. That's our observation pole out there. Little thing stuck out of the ground. That's 4 feet high. Well, it's a 4-foot stake. Alright, I can see the little trail I made here. Just crazy. It's not snowing at the moment. Winds are still gusting a bit. Alright. Board should be right here. Maybe not. It's somewhere. Ah, there it is. And we got 4.7 inches on the board. In this one spot. We'll take that in a few. Okay, 4.9 over there. 4.7. 4.8. 5. Okay, I'm still outlining the shape of the board here. Yeah, see, because we put this, when we put the board back on the snow, it tilts a little bit, so it doesn't get a perfectly flat reading everywhere. So we gotta kind of take an average here. Alright, we're gonna go with 4.8. Let's look at the sky in the meantime. I just crawled out of bed just to do this, so look at the weight on the roof. Unbelievable. To the north you can see, it looks darker up there. 28 inches flat it seems. That's our total as of 7 a.m. here. Alright, so there it is. Our board sitting on top of 28 inches of snow now, and it's ready to keep collecting. I think we're just about done, but we'll see. The storm has been strange enough. Alright, let's come down. I'm like up to my waist. Literally. I am up to my waist. I am in the road. There is 20 inches of snow in the road. There's not been any attempts to plow this yet. About 23 inches to the bottom. Let's go in the middle of the road. I can't even tell what's the bottom and what's just like layer of harder snow. Alright. For some reason I can walk here a little better. I guess either this is more packed or there's just, look at the mailboxes. You can see them now. Just sticking out. Just looking down Beach Lane, you can see what kind of event this was. Look at the mailboxes. Look down this way. Some crazy shit. Alright, let's keep plowing through this. Feel bad, I'm kind of ruining the pretty picture by leaving my own trail. But, oh well. You snooze, you lose. This is insane. This is the scene here. That's the sky. Still kind of dark up there. I'm trying to get to my other site down there, and then we're gonna loop back, come through here, and see what we can get. That almost looks like a shelf cloud type thing up in the sky. I wonder what that is. I think it's just banding with the outer edge of this. There. 30, 31. This is a drift though, but I guess it kind of averages out. Yeah. 28 is the official total. So I guess that's not too much higher. 30, 30. It's pretty consistent around 30, 31 here. You can see these are just drifts. Piles down in some spots. Rear light of the car. That's all you can see. It's the only hint that it's a car. Otherwise, that might as well be some UFO. UFO parked. Alright. Coming in. These are the hills that our cars created. Coming through. Alright. There's our board. It did not collect an inch of snow this time since we started the observation. That's good, I would say. But there it is.